In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Getresponse. We're going to walk through a simple click-by-click method to create an embedded sign-up form that you can place right on your website. By the end, you'll have a working form that automatically sends new subscribers into the list you choose inside your Getresponse account. First, log into Getresponse and look for the main navigation menu at the top. Move your cursor over the option labeled Tools, and from the drop-down that appears, click on Forms and Pop-ups. This is where all of your existing forms live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Once you're on the Forms and Pop-ups page, look for the button that says Create Form and click it. This opens up the creation process and gives you a few different form types to choose from. Because we want a sign-up form that will sit directly on a web page, choose the option called Embedded in a Page. This tells Getresponse you want code you can paste into your site. After selecting that option, click Next to move forward. You'll now see a gallery of pre-designed templates. These templates give you a starting point so you don't have to design everything from scratch. Browse through the options and pick one that fits your goal, such as a simple newsletter sign-up form. When you've found a design you like, click Use Template to open it in the editor. In the form editor, you can customize almost everything you see. Click on any form field to change its label, placeholder text, or settings. For example, you might rename a name field to first name to make it clearer. You can add new fields, like a custom question, or remove fields you don't need. Just remember, the email field is required for a sign-up form, so you should not delete that one. Take a moment to adjust fonts, colors, and text so the form matches your brand and clearly explains why someone should subscribe. When you're happy with how the form looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Next button. This takes you to your subscription settings. Here, choose the list where you want new contacts to be added. This is important because it controls where all your new subscribers will be stored and which campaigns they can receive. After selecting the correct list, click Save and Publish. Getresponse will now generate a JavaScript code snippet for your form. Copy this snippet, then go to your website's HTML and paste it exactly where you want the form to appear, such as in a sidebar, a footer, or on a dedicated sign-up page. Once you save your web page, your embedded Getresponse sign-up form should be live and ready to collect new subscribers.